Welcome back to RLTW Strategies. My name is Mike. To tell you a little bit about myself, I am a 21-year service veteran and a retiree, and I picked up day trading futures about 2.5 years ago. I've been trading stocks for about 15 years, but futures is something that's recent, and I'll tell you what, every day I learn something about trading psychology and my mindset. So with that, I posted my levels on X this morning, and let's go ahead and start digging into the markets. We're at that top of the range. Let's see if we blow some stops. We didn't really blow any stops on the downside either. 5 minutes. Remember, we got news at 10. And here we go, crashing down. Crazy. Microsoft is popping up. Apple's dropping down. Tesla's dropping down. Nvidia's dropping down. I guess if we bust through, well, we'll see. We got the opening range as well. Let's get a different color box for the opening range. All right, market is open. Check out this 1 minute opening range. We're 30 minutes into it. Palantir's coming down a little bit. Apple popped up. Microsoft came down a little bit. "20 seconds. Here we go. We're breaking down. We hit the bottom of that zone. All right, there we go. 1 minute opening range is solidified. Let's see what we do. Gonna go fill the gap.
Filled. Order filled. Filled.
All right, let's see. I think we're gonna come down. It's my assessment.
Order filled.
Oh, wrong one. I might just hold on to this for the rest of the day. That was a good trade. Let's close that one out. If we break this, I think I might add to it. It's going to take me out. I think we're going to go to yesterday's close. We may come back and retest the bottom of this box. We could blow all these shorts and come all the way up to here and then come back down. So that's what I'm going to expect us to do. We're either going to retest the bottom of this opening range, or we are going to blow all these, we might come all the way up to here, take out all these shorts, and then go back down. Here's that zone from this morning. I think this is a hard resistance area. I think this is a hard resistance area. If we break yesterday's high, 30-minute.
Filled. Order filled.
Back on the 5-minute, I was trading the 1-minute for a while. My account, gold's getting tore up. My ES trade, my NASDAQ trade's going pretty good. Gold's getting tore up. Crude's getting tore up. Here we go. If we can't hold yesterday's all-time high, this is the new all-time high. Day all-time high. Today. Yesterday's. I'm going to go ahead and change there. Let's change this to that color. That's the level we need to keep. 24,556. If we can't hold 24,556 and the 1-minute opening range, that was money. We got news at 10. Remember that. News at 10. Here we go, moving back up. Let's check out this trend. I'm going to change this trend line on the 100 tick chart because that looks like more of the trend on the 100 tick chart than the other one that I had. So let's see if we maintain this downward pressure. Same with this trend line. Remember, if you want to watch the pivots, watch the 100 tick chart. Still waiting for a 5-minute 3-bar reversal to pop back up, but NVIDIA and Palantir bounced back up. Microsoft, Apple just bounced back up. It's about near its opening price. We got Google, Tesla, and Microsoft all down. This is a pivotal moment. If we're going to break yesterday's all-time high and touch yesterday's close. If we break yesterday's high, I might focus on a scout down to yesterday's close to fill that gap. Gold is getting insane. There you go. We bounced off yesterday's all-time high. If it rejects and we come back down, we're going to blow through it. But this could be a reversal. This could be a hard push to the upside as well. And I don't want to get caught on the wrong side of that trade because it will take away most of my morning profits. And it's only 9:40, so it's only 10 minutes in the open. Here we go. Coming back down. We need yesterday's all-time high to act as resistance. Right now it's support. When price is bouncing like this, that level is acting like support. So let's see how price behaves at that level. We could push down to yesterday's close, fill the gap, come back up to retest yesterday's all-time high level, and then reject back down. This candle has 3 minutes left. If it stays indecisive on the 5 minute, it could be the reversal candle. Oil's coming back down. That was a good rejection from that level, so we're going to go ahead and add a contract, 2 contracts here. I'm looking for a breakdown to, let's go back down to there. Let's see what happens. ES is still dropping. How big is that move up? 15 points? That's not bad. 15, 16 points. All right, here we go. Watch the 100-tick chart, how it breaks this level from this morning. It has to break it, bounce on it, and then if it bounces off the second touch, so most likely price will come up. It might come back up to here. Price may come back to here and then bounce off the trend to continue going up, or it could follow this trend line down until a double bottom and then bounce up. Gold's coming down. I doubled that gold contract and it's coming back down. I doubled it when price was up here. So here we go. If only I traded that. We could bounce here on gold. We could bounce 50%. We could bounce up to here. All right, gold closed for $3,700 profit. We're coming back down.
Filled. Order filled.
Come back up. Come back up. Come back up. There we go. Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia. Man, we're going to fill that gap. Let's see how price acts down there. I try to scalp. Move my stop because this thing could bounce back hard.
Filled. Order filled.
So price could bounce anywhere near this area. That's what we're looking for. Right down here. This area right here is going to be a possible buy zone. See that bounce? That's why I moved my stop. That is why I moved my stop when I did, because you never know. You can reject hard down here. Microsoft's dropping. ES could rotate back up. We are up 0.03% in the NASDAQ. Price is holding below yesterday's all-time high. We're still on that 100-tick chart trend line. Microsoft could be bouncing back up. Got a minute and a half left on this candle. We still have a full value gap down here that if we break yesterday's close, we could come all the way back down to here. And we got that fair value gap. Are we going to use this as support or resistance? What are we doing? Could be a bear flag forming. It's got the pole. And then we could build a triangle shape right here. Dropping hard. There we go. We touched the gap. There's the gap fill. That could have been the liquidity pool. But we could go all the way down this fair value gap as well. Touched yesterday's close. Apple and Tesla are moving up. Everything else is red. I guess Meta's moving up too, but oh, we got news at 10. We could come down to 24,500 before we move back up. And we got news in 5 minutes, so
Order filled.
Well, not so fast. Australia, you're coming to see me soon. We're talking about Australia right now.
Australia.
Australia. Shout out to Australia. Anyone watching from Australia down under right now? Shout out to you. Australia.
These are the wildest, filthiest men I ever drink with, dude. Shout out
We
to
are.
Australia. I love those.
We are.
Order filled.
Were you doing shoeies? You know?
I don't remember the name of the drinking games that done with those people. I'm Eastern European. They got me on my knees, man. I was crawling for help coming out of the bar. No, never again. They don't mess around with me. They don't mess around with me.
We're going to have a good time for sure.
Big time.
I got a story about that.
Big time.
We could break down.
Way too much context this early, but sometime today. With Australia.
Order filled.
Jam flat.
Order filled.
We go first.
Order filled.
Flat out. Yep, flat out. Looks like we might run it a little over. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie.
Andre, you know, Earth is the largest technical city that is like furthest away from Chicago on Earth.
I did not know that. First, did you know that as well?
Earth, you know that? You are on the other side of the world.
Order filled.
$700 to $140 after all that. Oosh. Oh, that drop scared me.
See Tesla come up.
Damn, here we go.
I get a stop loss mode. Where stop loss is a better entry. So we'll see if we can come in.
I had 4 contracts. That would have been $700.
So you're tuning for a Topstep?
I got all day. And we got news in 2 minutes. In a minute. We got news in a minute. Let's look for a retest down on this 100 tick chart trend line. Gold's coming back down. I just think they're trapping longs, thinking this is going to be a reversal, and they're just going to drop it down to the full value gap.
Filled.
Catching a bit. Apple's up 1 1/4. Right, is that enough for Jack to just attention there? Or
Yeah.
yeah.
Filled.
1.7. I think 1.5%.
Let me see. Let me go paper account all the way back up to the VWAP. Looking for a rejection at yesterday's all-time high. I feel like this is the same action as we got right here, right here. It's like upward wedges. That 1 minute opening range was dead on. Got 20 points of wicks. Got 3 minutes left on this candle, man. I don't know. Let's see if we get a rejection off yesterday's all-time high. Did we reject yesterday's all-time high? Gold's moving back up. ES bounced on that pivot. This is where I'd go long and it drops on me. That could have been the rejection from the all-time high. Yesterday's all-time high. Breaking yesterday's close. We're going to that full value gap, man. I'm telling you. We hit this, the 100 tick chart hit this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We just broke through it again. And we're dropping all the way down to 25,500. 9 seconds left, 8. See what happens on this 5-minute candle. Tesla's still coming down. See if we reject this yesterday's all-time high again. Here we are, breaking stops up above. Are we going to continue it or are we going to reject back down? I feel like the minute I go long, it's going to drop.
Okay, 10%. But they have to go and add alpha to their name. Alpha Plus.
Fill.
What a name for a hedge fund. The index remains undefeated.
Order filled.
Of course. Of course.
Order filled.
Hey, gotta give some to take some. It's inevitable.
What does that mean, dude? Is that expand on that?
Can't win them all.
You know you can't.
Win them all. Can't win them all. There's gonna be a
Order filled.
I'm not an alpha. I don't know. I don't know. It's a thing, I guess.
So well, yeah, we're gonna just ride it out. Ride it out. Need to set bells on the name. Absolutely incredible.
I just found
Okay,
just
blame
great
it on Trump.
history in the vehicle. Like you don't even have to like read his deck description. It doesn't have to be like the S&P 500. You just gotta tease your non-correlated returns.
This fundraise, man.
They are
This
pretty
fundraise
correlated.
is great. Just take those speeches. Still 2 and 20. Is that still the standard over there? Oh, just take.
Bummer.
Good question.
Yeah, probably gone up. 37.39 just printed in the gold. New all-time highs. Struggling to catch a bit. Struggling to sell off on both sides. Yeah, so let's see. Go to your flags. We got the two. My apologies.
Nope, I'm flat, plus $30. We're just chopping around here for a little bit. If we get back down to those lower 30s or 20s, I'll look to buy it.
Yeah, there will be no Topstep Alpha. Oh, Topstep Amethyst.
That is how your
Filled.
Awesome. Listen, have fun. Have fun here.
It's got when people start talking about Alpha, I tend to tune them out.
Yeah.
They're at thin ends.
Like Coda, get up these 24,556s. Might be about what 15 points away. 24,570. That's higher. ES. Looking for some push higher here. 6 points off from the overhead VWAP. Go kiss that. And nothing on the schedule. On the calendar, the Fed meeting has started. Headline here: spot gold is $37 per ounce for the first time. Well, we know here futures, December futures price, hit 37.35.
Mm.
5 MES in the house. Yeah.
Did I buy the bottom?
Bruce the bisc on this. Bruce the
Keep
bisc
down all
on
day.
this. Yeah.
I put him in a disaster spot. I put the stop right now is sitting in at 66.57 3/4. Um, I just put it down there because I wanted it to be behind by like 5 points of the 6,600 level in the SPX. Just thinking there would be some resistance there. We got down there. So
How do we manage this trade? Spot bottom.
Yep. Bought the bottom.
Save some runner. What are you thinking here in terms of exiting?
I mean, it's only 5 micros. So definitely going to hold it for a while. I'm not against probably scaling out of it. I mean, it's not often that we actually get long on a dip. It seems to be holding up pretty good right now.
Just holds right there. Yeah, it's 300 left coming in on the ask at 66.74. That could get lifted. That current US 5 that could get lifted. Think about the lighting on the ES. NASDAQ December contract. There's a lot of tips higher here. It's a bit indecisive. Day before the big FOMC policy
Yeah.
decision tomorrow.
As expected, right? Was 520, 530 level was
Well,
is money right there.
1, 2, 3 times, yeah. Look for those range trades, right? The more taps on that lower end of the range or upper end for that matter. Goes, like big perhaps gets weaker, right? More likelihood to get through it. Upside more than downside.
Yeah.
It's more
It usually
times.
does.
Yeah. What do we got? Evergreen got to lower range VWAP. We've got another push here. Tap on those 37.39s. Go back to 37.36. I don't know. Easy money. What do they call it, dude? Free money in gold?
free money, free money.
It does not look clean.
That was my out, I think.
I'm
I think that was my out.
There, the British pound for it,
Filled.
Mister, da 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 da. But I had a great
Back to 500. Tough. Tough because that would have been $3 grand. Ha! Only because I over leveraged. I knew I over leveraged. That was a good rejection off the top. I mean, this is a good, it's a good 100 tick trend upwards, but we could triple bottom that. We could bounce here. Tesla's moving back up. This could be, we could hit another low down here, then bounce up, or it could trap people.
Filled.
It's almost 10:30. It's my time. Would you excuse me for at least a minute or so to go pick up my wife's laundry before I get in trouble?
Got it.
Order filled.
Hey, your building position, what, are you looking at these 20s there, Dakota? Is that what you're looking at?
Yeah, I got along 1 micro from 540 evens. Continue to add. I'll continue to add. Push a little bit lower here.
Order filled.
Say this.
All right, 600 on the day. I was up 800. I was up 700. We're up 600 on the day. 2,000 on the week. If I don't lose any profits, if anything. Oh God, man, it's tough. It's tough, right? It's easy to make $100. It's easy to lose 1,500. So that's the challenge. Here we are. We're rejecting that 100 tick chart trend line. Coming back down to here. I think we're going down in this full value gap. I really think we're going down in this full value gap right down here. Gold's going down again. Gold dropped off the top. Man, look at that base on the 5 minute. Look at this. That's crazy.
It looks a little bit better than the
We could pop and drop. We could pop up to the top of that blue box and drop down. I think we're going down the full value gap. The fair value gap, sorry. I think we're going down the fair value gap.
We were on here yesterday, we were talking about in case of a power surge, you always have to stop it.
Filled.
Later on in the day.
gotta have a stop.
Not have a stop, and lost an XFA due to it. It's no excuses, right? No excuses. Analyze mistakes, but you gotta do it after the bell.
What you lose is that good trading behavior, which even if you're not good at it, will save you from giving everything. So you gotta have a stop. No matter in practice, whatever you trade, you gotta have a stop. Get a hard stop on the account, stop whatever you trade. You gotta have a certain stop where they don't physical. That's why I love the lockout. I knew that I got it yesterday to look at that. That can probably was one there so much deeper. So walk in, walk away. I had a phenomenal day of 9 hours of clean GK5. It's great.
How you doing?
Yeah.
Trading, right?
Filled.
I had to get out, man. I saw Microsoft dropping, man. I really do think we're going down here, and here I am trying to long it. It's just hilarious, man. But Tesla's moving up. Amazon's moving up, or Google's moving up. Nvidia and Palantir are both moving up. Is this the bottom? Is this the consolidation and bottom, and we're looking at a breakout? Got to break yesterday's all-time high and then bounce on it to continue going up, man. It's so funny. It's so funny when you're like, you want to go long, but you feel like it's going to go short. So you go short, and then it reverses on you, and you just get tore up. Oh, man. You going?
Filled.
Right, we're into the 50s.
I was close 180, yeah. Up 71. Or 72.
Yep.
I'm risking 5 points. 180 is
72. Let's say 60 to 72. What's the downside here? What's your target?
what it is.
filled.
Yeah, 660's looking good.
652. What did I make on that one? Nothing.
Yep.
I made 30 bucks.
Great.
Here we go.
Absolutely.
We're dropping. How far is this gonna go? Is this gonna go?
Look at all of these.
Is this gonna go? Oh my god.
You look at a chart, you see the range. It's the trust. It's the trust I think is
Let's short it. I'll short it on the paper account because
Both, Andre.
uh-huh.
How fast can you identify it and then can you trust it? Like where I was looking at this.
look at that 100 tick movement.
But that is, when is it considered?
Like that, right? And also with the range trades, it's not
Broke.
a trade.
2 contracts.
We stopped out. And range trade. We won't get a range out.
Do we bounce?
This time we stopped out.
Yeah, you think
Identified. You know, it's a strategy pre-empting it. Look at that. But look at that. The NASDAQ, someone just hit the sell button. We were trading. So we were trading.
We're hitting that fair value gap before tomorrow.
yeah, right when I was
All right. I'm going to close out the stream. 652 on the morning session. We're up 14,377. Our account is at 15,179. We did 21 trades and 652, 2,000 on the day. I'm going to go ahead and call it for the morning session. The morning session is complete. Sell signal on TradingView. And with that, you be safe out there. Watch your risk. FOMC tomorrow. I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.